Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of built-in string function in Python. Today we will learn two more methods, split and rsplit. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Now let's get started with our today's tutorial. What is a split function? So a split function splits a string into a list of string after breaking the given string by the specified separator, right? I have one string with me, right? Which you print, it will print simply in output window. Python is a programming language, right? If you want to split this string into multiple pieces, then you have to provide one separator. Okay, so we will be using split function result one dot s1 dot split. If you see the documentation, you will see we have one argument, that is separator, okay, which we have to pass on as a delimiter. Second, we have max splits. This parameter we will see later on, right? And what this split function returns? This function returns a list of string. Okay, means multiple pieces of string. Wherever we have a, just split this string into multiple pieces, right? Wherever we have a. Okay, if you print, so you will see there would be multiple pieces. You see we have list of string as a output. Okay, wherever we have a, so it is splitted. That is first, that is second, right? You see, and this is third, and that is fourth, last one. This is how this split function works. Okay, you can use a word here. Okay, you can use is, so it will break your string with this delimiter is, right? So we have one element, first element is a Python, this one, and second element would be this one, this piece. Okay, now let's see what is the max split parameter, right? This parameter. So as you can see, max split parameter, it tells you to split the string into maximum of provided number of times. If it is not provided, then the default is -1, which means there is no limit. Okay, by default -1 means there is no limit. If you provide the value of this parameter max split, then you will get those many pieces, right? If I say I need one piece, okay, and I want to reach up to only three pieces, right? So I pass on two. So you see 0, 1 and 2, it will reach up to 2, not more than that, right? You see in third piece we still have a, but it reaches to the limit. Okay, if you make it 3, so then it will break this string here. You see it reaches to here now. Okay, go to 4, then it will show you all, right? Now you see we have got this one and we have got this one as well. There is one more case. If you do not provide any separator, right, by default it takes white space, right? If you're in the program, if you do not provide any separator, right, like that, so it will take white space as a default value, right? You have splitted your string with white spaces, could see multiple pieces, right, with white spaces. Okay, so always remember, if you do not provide any of the separator with split function, so it will take white space as a default value, right? Now let's see our next method, that is our split function, which is pretty similar to split function. So this function returns a list of a string after breaking the given string from the right side by the specified separator. Okay, and this function return the same type of data, right, which is list of a string. Okay, there is no difference. If you use it, and you will see, so this is fine. If you want to specify your delimiter, right, a, so it will show you the same output, right? But if you provide max limit like 2, then it will take the string from the right side, right? First it will split, then it will take the string from the right side. You see this is 1, right, and this is 2, and this is 3. This is how it works. Okay, if you make it 3, it will show you 4 pieces, right? You see now it came to here. Okay, let me take 5, so it will say this is the 5 pieces. So all 5 pieces will be equal to this split function, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.